Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking just a very quick snapshot about Orbik again. If you haven't seen the previous video where we've gone through the different ranges, a little bit of history about Orbik and the emergency light and where it's come from, please go and check that video out on our channel. But today I want to focus on self-test, making sure that people understand that this is there designed to make sure, one, that the building's safe, and two, to make sure that you're going to be saving time and money are going around doing all these tests. So before we do that though, some of the other things that we're getting asked about is the corridor function on some of our fittings. So I've got a standard bulkhead here, which has got an emergency pack inside it. This can also have the corridor function built into it. So it's going to be great for anyone that's got any spaces that doesn't have any natural daylight. They want to have some lighting on, but they don't want it on at full brightness. You're going to be able to step that down to 10%, still giving you that little glow, and then when anybody needs it, it will then ramp back up to 100%. So it's important that we know that they can come with emergency and corridor function built into the same fitting. You don't need to have two separate parts there. So just going back to the self-test, then we're looking at how does that really help you, and how does that make sure that your guys out on the road or anybody that's doing any testing for emergency lighting in accordance with 5266, how is that going to help you? So self-test is going to test itself monthly. It's going to test itself annually as well. So you don't really have to do a lot other than going into the buildings, making sure that when they have completed their self-test, you can identify whether there's any fittings in there that are indicating via the LED indicator whether there's anything going wrong with them. Again, making sure that we're saving you money by adding in self-test to the majority of our fittings across the Orbik range, and if you're then including that into some of the Ovia fittings, really helping you out on the road. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you in the next one.